Today I really wanted to do a flight to test props and motors after all the tuning, if they're running hot or frying. The weather less than perfect, but I wanted to see if the new props from JamFan I received somehow miraculously are better in terms of prop watch characteristics, which I experienced in the last flights with the HQ props. So I thought a quick orientation flight in a brand new location can't hurt, before the rain hits. Let's roll the intro. Hey guys, it's Matt and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in a brand new location and we are testing the props. We have the new ones from JamFan here we are flying today, and they are having a way more pitch. So basically they shouldn't be better for prop wash characteristics than the HQ ones. But since I suspect that the tune was the main issue, I'm just putting props on which would make the problem worse, to amplify the problem, to identify it and to get rid of it in a future tune then. Problem is that the weather was much worse than I was expecting and it started to rain just 30 seconds into the flight. But even I had to cut the flight short, I could check that the motors are not hot and that the tune is not completely off. So I was going in the right direction basically, because the engines and the flight characteristics for the first impression after tuning it a little bit were quite good. I didn't have much chance to throw it into dirty air and doing much with it because it really started raining when I just took off, but this will be then something for the next flights. Also let me know what you think about the location. It's a brand new location I'm trying out here. It's over the ocean, so it's a bit more risky. But if you like it, let me know in the comments below.
My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do. I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel so good, baby. So good, so good. When you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day was fun, but I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight, just like you do. Feels so good, so good.
And we are back. I like the location, besides the stress that I always have to try to land on this mat because I do not want to get sand in the engines and cleaning them up. So everything good so far. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, that would really help me out a lot. Stay safe, have a great rest of the day and see you in the next one.